Okay, y'all, so I'm starting off on freshly co-washed hair. And then I'm just going to take my spray bottle and just squirt the perimeter of my hair just to add some moisture back into my head. And then I'm going to take this detangle brush. I believe I got this brush from Amazon. I'll actually add the link in the description box. And then I'm just going to detangle all around my head. And then next, after I do this, I'm going to add the yellow Eco Styler gel. And you don't want to add a lot, but you want to add enough. And then I'm just going to take the gel and put it all around the perimeter of my hair as well. Once I'm finished with this, I'm going to go back in with the paddle brush and then I'm going to detangle one more time. And I'm detangling again because once I do this, I want no lumps in my ponytail. And then next, I'm just going to take any regular dollar store firm brush and just brush all of my hair up and smooth the gel out. And as you can see, I'm going back in with the paddle brush because I want my ponytail to sit high and I don't want any lumps in it. So once I'm done smoothing it out, I'm just going to add a regular black ponytail holder, one without that silver metal piece on the back. And I'm just going to wrap the ponytail holder around. And then I'm going to take the hard brush again and smooth everything out. Once I smooth everything out with the brush, I'm actually going to wrap that puff ball around in a little circle. And then I'm going to add another ponytail holder just to secure that. That way, my buns sit nice and high. So next, I'm going to take my BetterLength ponytail, y'all. I have worn this ponytail so much, that's why I look a little raggedy. So I'm going to put a little water on it just to kind of add a little moisture back into this as well. And once I spray with water, it's two clips, one in the front and one in the back. You'll see me put the little comb in the front. And then what I just did now, I'm going to do the same thing in the back. This secures the ponytail. Once this is secure, you'll take the drawstring part and pull. And then you'll wrap the drawstring around and just kind of hide it. Once the drawstring is hid, I'm going to split my ponytail into two. And then I'm going to wrap it around. And when I wrap both parts around, as you can see, I'm going to go in opposite directions when I wrap. And then I'm just going to take an open hairpin and just kind of pin the ponytail down. But I don't want to pin it too tight because I want the bun to look as natural as possible. And then I'm just going to add a few hairpins where they needed to be added just to kind of secure the ponytail. Next, I'm going to take my little edge brush, dip it in some gel, and kind of make some light, I guess you would say, swoops or baby hair. This step is optional. You don't have to. As you can see, I wasn't trying to be extra. Just trying to add a little oomph to the ponytail. Then I'm going to swoop some and add some little sideburns. Excuse my voice, y'all. I'm sick, so. And yeah, this is all to the ponytail. Nothing more, nothing less, nothing major. As y'all can see, this look was super easy, super cute. It can go with any outfit. So yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe to my channel. This is the final look. I love you all, and God bless.